Hey guys, I am CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm still here at Bantayan, Cebu, and our mission for today is to taste both local and foreign themed restaurants. So let's go, enjoy, and hopefully my stomach doesn't get hurt. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. So I got my first food to eat today, and time check, it's still 6:23 in the morning and I just arrived here at Bantayan. I got scallops from Kuya, steamed scallops, and for only 40 pesos, and I got scallops already. So we'll try this one out first. Okay, so let's try it out, guys. Ta-da! Here's the scallop. Well, this is not my first time eating scallops because I had a lot of these at the city, but that was baked scallops with butter and I don't know what's the ingredients, but this one is my first time eating steamed scallops, and you actually just dip it. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but you can comment down below if I'm doing it right or not. So I have your vinegar and I'll just eat it. Let's try it out. Okay, first bite. Actually tastes really good, and I can smell the ocean. And I really can taste the ocean, that it's fresh from the ocean. So it's really good and it's really fresh, and I wonder if I do make sense, but basta lami siyang bayhan. Lami siya, lami. What's up guys, so we're here at MJ Square for lunch, and pretty much exhausted from the road trip that I had this morning, because you know, if you haven't watched my other video, good place to go check out. And you know, so we are at Bantayan because it's one of the most dominant restaurant here at MJ Square. I saw 3 Bantayan stores right here, so that interests me to taste what they got, and I ordered SIZZLING mixed seafood. So let's go taste and eat their food. I'm done eating my lunch, and so far so good. Spicy and it's good. 4/5, I guess. Yep. So let's go ahead to our next food trip. Come on, let's go. Oh shit. This is hopeless. I don't know what happened, but probably it's because of the ocean. I don't know, the rust, and I really need to have a new glasses right now. I need new glasses right now, but I'm still here at Bantayan and I couldn't see a thing, so good luck and gotcha. Let's go and find something else here and bring my hand. Okay guys, so tada, gahi, I got my eyeglasses temporarily fixed, but this is not a temporary fix because it takes, you know, it gives a permanent effect on my eyeglasses. Bought a shoe glue here at the market and glued the joint of my specs. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. So I didn't know where to eat right now because I am looking for the local food, taguangkan, but unfortunately I couldn't find them because it's already sold out. So I'm here at Istanbul and I found out about this restaurant because of TripAdvisor. They're number 2. We're gonna find out if it's true or not. So I ordered pork steak in oyster sauce. So let's check it out. I just got my drink, and to my surprise that they used metal straw instead of plastic straw, which is really good to save the environment. Yeah. Okay, so I got now my pork steak, and let's try it out for the first time. It tastes good. So it's like, but I could taste the lemon, and then the pork is tender enough, and the sauce is what I don't know how to describe food actually, because I'm not a food blogger. Hey guys, so dinner is not yet finished, and I'm here at MJ Square again, and I'm here at the Bantayan Burrito Company, and the #1 eatery in TripAdvisor, so I think it's worth to try out. So I got a pulled pork nachos. Let me check for a nachos dip, and there's a little bit kick of some salt or something like that. I think it would be, it's nice for an appetizer or whatever. Okay, so let's eat. Good morning guys, so it's my second day here at Bantayan, and the food trip doesn't stop yesterday, so looking for my breakfast here at MJ Square, and was looking again at TripAdvisor for Filipino food, and it brought me here at Tapa Master. What I got is a local beef tapa, so let's go, check it out. Let's tapa. Local beef tapa here. Good. Wag na yung milk. Weird. Maraming talaan ko milk. Anyway, akong tataka dito. Let's go. Let's see. Okay guys, so that ends our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and unfortunately there's this 2 local food that I was looking but I couldn't find. I don't know why, probably because it's a seasonal food. One of that is it's called tago-angkan. It's a womb of the chicken. It's usually barbecued here, but I couldn't find one yesterday and today. And also the other one is called wasay-wasay or black lip oyster. I couldn't find it too, but that means I have more reasons to go back here, Bantayan. So see you next time, Bantayan, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and